Industrial standard as given by in equation number 3, which is a function of Young's modulus to hardness. Crack length is C defined here. So C to A ratio here is a function, C to A ratio here and hardness here. And I told you that this particular parameter is a function of Young's modulus to hardness. And what happened was, this particular variable turned out to be almost constant. It varied in a very small little range. You can see there's a quite good correlation here. And this blue data point are from a publication by Boccacini. This is for dental implants. Okay, I told you before that we invented the new less brittle glass. The brittleness of that glass was only 28% lower. What does it mean? What is the feeling of brittleness? So what we did was, we used a simple scratch tester, at 1 kilogram load, and we found that soda and silica glass had a lot of cracking, nothing at all. Then, feeling of brittleness again. 28% difference only 28% lower. At 300 gram force load, Vickers indentation, you can see that there is no cracking here, and there is well-developed 4-corner cracking in soda and silica glass, and also there is subsurface cracking, this white region here. And after indentation, what we did was, we checked the strength of the glass by 4-point bending test, and this glass, soda and glass, the average strength was about 60 megapascal, and the source or the crack origin was from indentation site. In Japan, what he did was, he used Vickers indentation, and from lower load, medium load to high load, he increased the load, and at each load, he indented 10 times, 150 times, and the new glass, the less brittle glass, has a crack initiation load of about 2 kilograms, which is almost 12 times more than the crack initiation load of soda and glass, although the brittleness is only 28% lower. Why it does? What we found was, I'll explain the next slide, that as the density reduces, densification becomes very easy. So when the indentation is penetrating down, glass will densify, it will deform. And the plastic flow is also ready. However, for anomalous glass, anomalous glasses do not show any plastic. These shear lines are indicative of plastic flow. So we can see that there is evidence of plastic flow here, but here this is cracking, not plastic flow. The silica glass just cracks and shows no densifies, but doesn't show plastic. And around the density of 14.4, the brittleness is the lowest. This sweet spot is found in each one of your four. Look at what Gordon is, Gorilla data sheet. Every Gorilla class is on 2.4. That's this sweet spot. This was published, I think, in 1990. Normal glasses. For normal glasses, reducing density reduces brittleness. For anomalous glasses, reducing density increases the brittleness. There is a good correlation between crack initiation load and resistance. That is 50% decrease in brittleness and resulted in an increase in crack initiation load by 15 times. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Segal.